friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video and we're gonna get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today I am working with Ladula Hair. Shout out to Ladula Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into it. So this is a kinky straight UPart wig. She is 20 inches long, and of course I'm going to show you how I sew her down. I've really been feeling this texture lately just because, as well as it looking natural, you get a lot of versatility with this texture. So I've been feeling the kinky straight a lot lately. So right now I'm just starting off with my braiding pattern. This is basically how I want to braid my hair down. I'm not going to get into too much detail. It's really self-explanatory.
Tell me what you say now, tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited then? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I lost hope. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind of shit. This is where we could build, do different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having there's nothing take you there, take you, show you something, give you more than words. With you having this place take you there, take you there, take you there. Fill me up till my cup's overflowing.
So now that we've completed the braids, we're gonna get into this unit. This unit is super full. This is a big unit, okay? But keep in mind that she has not been, there's no heat on her as of yet either. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sew her down. There are clips inside of this unit. I, for the most part, don't like the clips because they do hurt. So I think I'm just gonna cut these clips out and then I'm going to stitch down on the reinforced edge of the unit.
just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Rolling 80 wheels and it'll save you. Got 100. Gotta roll over to you, gotta give her release. Spread your legs down, down, I'm going out the heat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock, I be sweet. I'ma roll on the forever, let her roll on me. Split this one down the middle, wake up in a
So sad. This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them
The
on.
UPart is definitely a good option. Also, Glueless hair has been around forever. I've worked with Glueless quite a few times on a lot of different wig types. I don't think I've ever tried their Kinky straight, but I am loving this. It is very affordable, so I want you guys to check this out. Not to mention, she's on Amazon, okay? Amazon, so you can have her whatever day this is that I'm dropping this video, you can have this wig within 48 hours at your door, period. Sew an appointment in 48 hours. And I want to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.